Alright, George, here you go. Filtration line. Gonna dry vacuum it, saturate it with free spray, scrub it, and it'll be gone. Sure. Nice dry vacuum. Free spray, just normal carpet cleaning free spray. That's really good. Now I'm going to use this new state-of-the-art scrubber I have. It's called a New Balance shoe. Now we're going to let that sit while we clean the rest of the room, and I'll get back to you. Okay, George, here you go, part 2. It's been about 20 minutes. We finished cleaning the room. I've got my state-of-the-art 3-jet, unglided, PMF, $400 wand. It's been soaking about 20 minutes now, so here we go. We're going to do it single-handed. Just come along real slow now. And filtration line's gone. And here it is after cleaning. No more filtration line.